However, there are trade-offs, and this is where you need realistic expectations. First, screen quality often suffers. For example, in one budget model the 15.6-inch 1080p display is IPS and runs at 144 Hz. But testing showed it delivers limited brightness and color coverage, with dull and washed-out visuals. That means visuals, in games or in creative work, may not look as vivid or accurate as you might hope for. Another major compromise is RAM and storage. Many budget units ship with just 8 GB RAM and a minimal SSD, enough for basic tasks but often limiting for modern games, multitasking, or creative applications. Without upgrading, you may hit slowdowns or run out of storage quickly. Thermals and build quality are also common weak spots. Under gaming load, cooling may struggle. Fans get loud, the laptop heats up, and thermal performance can throttle the CPU or GPU. The keyboard and trackpad may also feel basic. For serious gamers or frequent users, peripheral upgrades like a mouse or external keyboard might feel necessary. Battery life tends to be modest. For everyday tasks, you might get a few hours, but as soon as you start gaming or doing heavier workloads, expect the battery to drain quickly. What that all adds up to is this: a budget-class gaming laptop can be a decent entry point, fine for casual gaming, schoolwork, streaming media, or light creative work, but it's not a set-and-forget premium rig. If you pick one, treat it as a starter machine, good for now, but likely limited if you try pushing it for heavy gaming, long hours, or high-end tasks. Before you buy a budget gaming laptop, make sure you confirm it has a discrete GPU and a decent CPU. Check RAM and storage. Ideally aim for at least 16 GB RAM, upgradable, and an SSD you can expand. Inspect the display quality, brightness, color accuracy, refresh rate. Consider cooling and build quality, especially if you game or run intensive apps. See if upgrade paths exist, extra RAM slot, SSD bay, since upgrades can extend a machine's lifespan. If you understand the compromises and still are comfortable, a budget gaming laptop can serve you well for casual gaming, school, work tasks, or entry-level creative use. But if you're looking for long-term performance, high-end gaming, or graphics-heavy work, it's smart to view this as a temporary or starter solution, not your final rig. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and buying guides. Hit the notification bell so you never miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.